Thank you for tuning in to the Brock Eichler Talks podcast, where we explore and discuss today's trending legal topics. In this episode, we'll discuss a recent article from Brock Eichler's April HLU newsletter titled, U.S. Department of Health Clarifies Informed Consent Guidance for Sensitive Medical Examinations. On April 1, 2024, the United States Department of Health and Human Services, HHS, issued new guidance clarifying the obligation of hospitals to obtain a patient's written consent prior to performing certain sensitive exams, such as pelvic, breast, or prostate exams, particularly with respect to patients who are under anesthesia during the exam. The new guidance was issued as a result of public scrutiny regarding the practice of allowing practitioners or supervised medical, advanced practice providers, or other healthcare students to perform sensitive examinations that are not related to the condition for which the patient is seeking treatment, such as breast, pelvic, prostate, and rectal examinations, for training and education purposes, including on patients who are under anesthesia. In its new guidance, HHS emphasizes that a hospital's informed consent policy and process, and all informed consent forms, must ensure that patients are provided with sufficient information to allow them to make informed decisions regarding the full scale of care they are to receive. Hospitals that fail to adhere to the updated informed consent guidelines may be subject to investigations, fines, and sanctions. For more information, contact Edward J. Yun, member, Healthcare Law Practice at eyun@brockeichler.com or 973-364-5229, or Paul DeMartino, Jr., Counsel, Healthcare Law Practice at pdemartino@brockeichler.com, or 973-364-5228. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode. If you want to stay updated on the latest legal insights, don't forget to subscribe to our podcast. By subscribing, you'll never miss an episode and will be the first to receive our analysis of the most pressing legal issues. You can find us on all popular podcasting platforms, including Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and YouTube. While you're there, please leave us a review to help others discover our show. Thank you for listening, and for more information, please visit brockeichler.com. This podcast is intended to provide general information, not legal advice. Please contact the authors if you need specific legal advice. Brock Eichler, LLC is a full-service law firm based in Roseland, New Jersey, with over 80 attorneys. The firm is focused on the following practice areas: healthcare law, real estate litigation, trust and estates, business transactions and financial services, personal injury, criminal defense and government investigations, labor and employment, environmental and land use, family law services, patent, intellectual property and information technology, real estate tax appeals, tax, and cannabis law.